Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Um, in today's newspaper, the weekend edition of Sunday, November the 16th, November the 17th, 2024. We have here, look, uh, November the 16th. We have here two regular puzzles. I will solve this one in a minute. The Sudoku with 3 stars, Medium Sudoku, and we have the Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve Sunday evening. We have in the weekend edition the puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Let me show you the 2 stars, 4 star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, Saturday evening. Tomorrow afternoon, we have an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. And in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. But first, let me start with this regular puzzle. Yeah. The medium Sudoku number 9602. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have 8 and the 7 in this column, so no 8 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need 8 here. 8 there, 8 here, yeah, 7 there. Come on. 5, 1, 9, yeah, 9 here. Let me think. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Only place level 3 should be there. 3, 9, and the 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look at 3 and the 4 in this row. No 3 and the 4 in this box. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Then need a 6. Need a 3 here. Come on, come on. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. How about? Need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Now only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row. Only place level 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1. Need a 1 here or there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Oh, we have a 6 in this second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 6 in this first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 9 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 2. Need a 4 here. 4, 4. Well, we have a 4 in this row. First row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. 4 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have 4 and the 6 in the last row, so no 4 and the 6 in this box. 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. So 1 is left in this big square for number 2. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 3. 5 is 7. 9, 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 1 digit left. In the third row for number 8. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes and there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, now let me see. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, now only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 to 4, okay. 4 should be here. How about these two missing numbers in this column? For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, only 3 places left, 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the last column, no 9 there. The only place left, 9 should be there. Then, let me see. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 3. And I need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1, 1, 1, 3, 8. Well, the 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look at the 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1. 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1, this one, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that, the 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left, 6 should be there. 4 and 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Play this in 30 minutes. Well, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. The fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.